This week we're going to take a look at updated crop condition ratings for U.S. corn, as well as the short-term weather forecast, and wrap things up looking at long-term trends in December corn futures. Hi, this is Brian Basting with Advanced Trading. Let's talk about the corn market. We've moved into the early July here, and of course that's time for corn pollination. Let's take a look at updated crop ratings across the U.S. We're looking here at a slight improvement this week, 51% good to excellent compared to 50% last week. You can see the states in the green that improved relative to a week ago were highlighted by a 10% improvement in Illinois and a 5% improvement in Iowa, as well as Indiana and Ohio and Michigan. Now we're looking at some deterioration, however. Out west, Kansas declined by 7% and Nebraska fell by 8%. Kind of a mixed bag overall. Let's take a look at the recent history of the crop condition index. You can see the crop condition index improved fractionally this week. Notice in 2012 it was collapsing at this point as the crop was under severe stress. Let's move on now and highlight short-term weather. Our slides this week, as usual, are courtesy of T-Storm Weather. We're going to start out this week looking at 30-day precip totals across the U.S. We're looking here at some improvement across the heart of the Corn Belt, but there's still quite a bit of red, particularly as we move further north there into parts of Wisconsin and further south into Missouri, but there's some improvement relative to a week ago. Now let's move forward and look at the forecast. It is going to be cool here for the next week or so, all the way into next Friday the 14th. Looking at all that area highlighted in light blue being cooler than normal. Now how about precip? Precip next week, July 10th through the 14th, heart of corn pollination. Most of that precip is going to be in the southern area you can see here. So we're going to have to keep an eye on that moving forward. Let's quantify that a bit more, taking a long-term map. Now here we're looking at a map here, again, courtesy of T-Storm. Above that purple line is forecast to be drier than normal over the next 10 days to 2 weeks. Now below that blue line is wetter than normal. So in between would be closer to normal. Let's quantify that a bit by looking at our final map here. Again, that yellow area, light yellow, is normal. Down south, above normal, and up north, a little bit dry. We'll keep a close eye on this for you, of course, moving further into July. Let's wrap things up this week looking at trends in December corn futures. Now, December corn has collapsed here. It had reached a point where it was under $5 a bushel prior to the USDA reports last week. Now, we've seen a bit of a rebound here. It's trading near $4.95 a bushel. A lot of volatility potential here over the next 30 to 45 days as this corn pollinates. So we strongly encourage you to continue to work closely with your trusted risk management advisor to defend your balance sheet. Now, if you'd like more information, please feel free to contact us at 800-664-2321. We'll put you in contact with one of our risk management consultants who'd be happy to visit with you at your convenience. And remember, we upload every Wednesday. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to never miss an update. And next week on July 12th, we'll have a live YouTube update following the USDA report at 11:20 Central Time. Thanks a lot. Have a good week.